Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to the channel. I am Karthik and today's our destination is Devaramane Hill, which is in Chikmagaluru district. But first we'll go to Ermai Falls, which is close to 15 kilometers from Ujire. Uh, in fact, it's a nice place to swim actually. So that's the plan. Ready to take off. So those are my friends and we are 7 in total on 4 bikes. We just finished our breakfast at Ujire and now towards the falls. Let's go! Open there. नहीं ना आराम है ये बात तो ना आ रहा है बराबर कहाँ जा रहा पास है Hi guys, so we have come to Ermai Falls. See, weather is nice, drizzling. See that? Yeah. I'll just show you. Such a bad idea to come with gears. Oh, so we are at Charmadi and I'm very hungry. Next stop will be Kottigehara. As usual, this place has people. So there are these small water streams, so people will stop here for photos. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬೈಕ್ ಏನು ಸುಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಾನು माझा आहे तेपले याव निखिल ना तो जड
तिने तसं सांगून आमचे इन्सल्ट करायचे रे बघ काही सुन
उठ रे
असं काय रे
पाची पडात रे तो वो हॅलो okay had a quick lunch break. We had dosa which is very famous in Kottigehara. Let's move to Devaramane. Time is no how much is 2:30. Yes, let's go. An amazing weather and a very good view. This is all one would want. Feels so good to ride. People living in these houses must be really lucky. Who gets to wake up to these kind of views every day?
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow.
So there is a temple here. I've been coming here for around 7 years. At least once in a year I try to come. लास्टला गाडी बघू 13 ती
13 ती
खैस येता कधी आहे
You ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we
It's
both know
raining
how to
heavily,
swim.
so we are all geared up and waiting it to pass. Also very cold. This is guys, I like this video here. If you watched it so far, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe. Very cold man. Thank you for watching guys. Take care.
Let's take it.